Hi guys, I am Prasant SP, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Today going to discuss the topic about edge computing. These are the contents today we are discussing. First one, cloud computing. The cloud computing is nothing but it is the technology today we are using in everywhere. Example, we are taking Gmail, then cloud, we are using MI clouds also, we are using Apple cloud also using. Some of the internets also using with via the cloud. Let me know about definition of cloud computing. Cloud computing is an infrastructure and software system that allows for access to shared network of storage, server and application over the internet. With cloud computing, users can access database resources via the internet from anywhere for as long as they need without worrying about any maintenance and management of actual resources. These are the cloud types: hybrid cloud, public cloud, private cloud. These are the types of cloud. These are the machines, mobile, storage, server, database, applications. These are the using types of cloud. These are the models of cloud computing. These are the models: application as a service, platform as a service, infrastructure as a service. These are the cloud models. Next one, we are seeing about limitations of cloud computing. They have some limitations is there. First one, latency. Latency is in the traditional cloud computing model, applications send data to the data center and obtain a response which increases system latency. For example, we are taking high-speed autonomous driving vehicles require milliseconds of response time. Next one, bandwidth. Transmitting large amount of data generated by edge devices to the cloud in real-time manner will cause great pressure on bandwidth. Next one, availability. As more and more internet services are deployed on the cloud, the availability of the services has become an integral part of daily life. Therefore, it is a big challenge for cloud service providers to keep in the 24/7 promise. Next one, energy. With the increasing amount of computation and transmission energy consumption, with the increasing amount of computation and transmitted energy consumption will become a bottleneck restricting the development of cloud computing centers. What is edge computing? Edge computing is a distributed information technology architecture in which client data is processed at the periphery of the network as close to the originating source as possible. No need to move on from the cloud center. Here, rather than the transmitting data to a central data center for processing and analysis, the work is performed where the data is actually generated, whether it's a retail store, a factory floor, or across a smart city. These are the cloud. These are the cloud. We are accessing from the cloud. These are the edge nodes and these are the edge devices. We are using mobile phones, the networks, and the TV, then smart devices, then smart vehicles. That's there. We are using that smart devices from the cloud. Next one. Why need for edge computing? Powers the next industrial revolution, transforming manufacturing and services. Next one, optimizes data capture and analysis at the edge to create actionable business intelligence. Next one, creates a flexible, scalable, secure and more automated technology systems and core business process environment. Developed due to the exponential growth of IoT devices which connect to the internet for managing information over cloud. Last one, promotes an agile business ecosystem that is more efficient, performs faster, save costs, and is easier to manage and maintain. Next one, edge computing terms and definitions. What is edge? It highly depends on the use cases. Likely in telecommunication, it may be a cell phone or cell tower. Similarly, in the automotive example, it could be a car. In manufacturing, it could be a machine, and the information technology field, it could be a laptop. These are the edge computing. Data is stored and forwarded. Here, data source is there. These are the cache memories is there. When we want a reusable, we will take it from cache. These are the cloud services. We are using from the cloud. Next one, these are the edge devices. These are cloudlets. These are cloud. When we providing cloud, having a internet means we providing cloudlets. They are providing similar, separating edge devices. Next one, edge gateway. It's a buffer where edge computing processing is done. The gateway is the window into the environment beyond the edge of the network. Next one, edge server. The computer located in a facility close to the edge device, the machines run application workloads and shared devices. So they need more computing power than the edge devices. Next one, edge node. An edge node is a computer that acts as an end user portal for communication with other nodes in cluster computing. Any device, server or gateway that performs edge computing. Next one, the cloud. Now we are discussing about the cloud. The cloud, a public or private cloud that acts as a repository for containerized workloads like applications and machine learning models. The cloud also hosts and run apps that manage edge nodes. Next one, IoT and edge computing. The Internet of Things. The IoT means Internet of Things. The Internet of Things refers to a system of interrelated, internet-connected objects that are able to collect and transfer data over a wireless network without human intervention. Next one, in IoT, with the help of edge computing, intelligence moves to the edge. These are various scenarios where speed and high-speed data are the main components for management, power issues, analytics, and real-time need, etc. Helps to process data with edge computing in IoT. These are the real-time data processing. First, we are using Internet of Things from edge computing. These are the cloud. The cloud provides edge computing. Then using Internet of Things we are using right now. Next one, architecture of cloud computing. These are the cloud. These are the edge data centers. These are the neighbor edge nodes. These are the roadside. We are seeing many modes is there. That is the roadside edge nodes. Next one, edge gateways. The gateways are we are fixing in the home. They are the edge gateways. Then from home we are using many smart locks is there, smart remote is there, smart watch is there. These are the applications of edge computing. The edge solutions are usually multi-layer distributed architectures encompassing and balancing the workload between the edge layer, the edge cloud or edge network, and the enterprise layer. Furthermore, when we talk about the edge, there are the edge devices and the local edge servers. More on edge. How edge computing works. The edge computing allows data from Internet of Things to be analyzed at the edge of the network before being sent to a data center or cloud. These are the edge gateway. These are the corporate data center. These are edge local processing. Then cloud. These are the Internet of Things. The main we are using the thing is Internet of Things. A network of micro data centers that store or process critical data locally and push received data to a centralized data center or repository of cloud storage. Next, typically in IoT use cases, a massive chunk of data goes through the data center, but edge computing processes the data locally, results in reduced traffic in the central repository. This is done by IoT devices, transforming the data to the local device, which includes storage, compute, and inter-network security. After that, the data is processed at the edge, while another portion is sent to storage, repository, or central processing in data center. Example, we are taking up a CCTV system. Consider a building secured with dozens of high definition of IoT video cameras. These are the dump cameras that simply output a raw video signal and continuously streaming in the cloud server. These are the traditional computing system. This is edge computing system. On the cloud server, the video output from all the cameras is put through the motion detection application to ensure that only clips featuring actively are saved to the server database. So this means there is a constant and significant strain on the building's internet infrastructure. As significant bandwidth gets consumed by the high volume of video footage being transferred. These are the edge computing system. Now the motion sensor computation is moved to the network edge. These are the nowadays we are using CCTV is using in many institutions, hospitals, then many airports. They are having a CCTV system. Before because of the AI system is there, many traffic violations are there. The traffic violation system also they having a many violations are happening. So only the CCTV system. Fixed in the metro cities, they have automatically captured the number plate in the vehicle. They automatically put the fine. So the system was implemented in metro cities. Now the motion sensor computation is moved to the network edge. Each camera use its own internal computer to run the motion detecting application and then send footage to the cloud server as need. This results in a significant reduction in bandwidth use because much of the camera footage will never have to travel the cloud server. What are the advantages of edge computing? First one, speed, scalability, security, reliability, cost effectiveness. What is speed? The edge computing has the capability of increased network speed by reducing latency. It greatly reduces the distance it should be traveled by processing the data closer to the source of information. Next one, security. The information present on the cloud has the tendency to get hacked easily. Since the edge computing only sends the relevant information to the cloud, it can be prevented. Next one, scalability. The edge can be used to scale your own IoT network without needing to worry about the storage requirements. Next one, reliability. The edge computing handles reliability part very well. Since most of the times the edge computing does not depend on internet connection and servers, it offers an uninterrupted service. Next one, cost effectiveness. Using edge computing for IoT allows users to reduce the bandwidth and data storage requirement and replace data centers with device solutions, so overall cost gets reduced. What are the disadvantages of edge computing? First one, security. Second one, incomplete data, more storage space, investment cost, the maintenance. What is security in the disadvantage of edge computing? Due to the fact that data processing takes place at the outside edge of the network, there are often risks of identity theft and cyber security breaches. Next one, incomplete data. The edge computing only processes and analyzes partial sets of information. The rest of the data is just discarded. Next one, more storage of space. Edge computing does take a considerably higher storage space on your device. Investment cost also high. Implementing an edge infrastructure can be costly and complex. This is due to their complexity, which needs additional equipment and resources. Next one, maintenance. In edge computing, there are more various network combinations with several computing nodes. This requires higher maintenance cost also than a centralized infrastructure. What are the application use cases in edge computing? First one, manufacturing. Next one, farming. Next one, improved healthcare, traffic management, smart homes. We already discussed about the traffic management. These are the smart homes. Right now, we are seeing about smart homes. So, smart homes rely on IoT devices collecting data and processing data from around the house. As an example, the time taken for voice-based assistant devices such as Amazon's Alexa to respond would be much faster. Right now, conclude our session in the edge computing. Edge computing is a very promising and has found many useful applications. Bringing computation to the network's edge minimizes the amount of long distance communication that has to happen between a client and server. However, there are still many challenges faced by the community, ranging from fundamental technologies to novel applications, scenarios, and potential business models. Edge computing gained a notice with the rise of IoT and the sudden glut of data such devices produce. But with IoT technologies still in relative infancy, the evolution of IoT devices will also have an impact on the future development of edge computing. Thank you for the session. Thank you.